you guys start seeing and acting like the person that you're trying to become. It's too many times you speaking negativity in your life or down your life and the things that you're going through or the current situation that you're in, and you wonder why your reality is all fucked up. The person that you want to become right now might be speaking daily affirmations or positivity into your life, or just accepting the things that, you know, they're facing right now, understanding they might need this to be successful. You know, I think we fail to realize and just understand that our current situation is not our final destination. I feel like we get into this mindset of we start to face challenges, we start to, you know, face certain setbacks, and we think that we're gonna be stuck here forever. But not knowing if you keep on trying to, you know, get yourself out of this hole, get yourself out of position, you know, there's no way that you could be stuck. So you gotta start changing the way that you think about certain things, and change the way that you start speaking about certain things, and your reality is gonna change. And understand that it's so much more to life for you. So as long as you just keep working hard, as long as you keep, you know, trying to get yourself out of certain positions and just elevate yourself, there's no way that you can't be successful. So just keep pushing.